Hello guys, welcome back to my course about high availability on SAP application and HANA database using SUSE cluster. In this slide, we are going to cover the agenda of this course. In this course, we are going to see what is high availability, how it can be achieved, what is the purpose of it, and how does it benefit to the customer. Moving further, we will be seeing what is SLA and how it is related with the high availability concept. We are also going to see different kind of SLA as in 99.9%, 99.99%, 99%, etc. and the significance of each SLA. And moving further to this course, we will be seeing the brief introduction about SAP ABAP file system structure. This is to take you back to know the traditional file system as well as with the current file system. Just to understand the high availability more clearly, we are going to have the quick overview about the file system structure. Moving further, we will be seeing how high availability can be achieved on SAP application and database layer using SUSE cluster. And later on, we will be seeing what is cluster. Cluster is nothing but the automation for the high availability. It is here in this course we are going to see the SUSE cluster. This will be taking care this will be taking care of high availability on SAP application as well as the HANA database. Later on, we will be segregating this course in two parts. First is high availability on SAP application, and second is high availability on database, and this database is HANA database. In SAP ABAP application high availability, we will be covering these pointers. First is what is application cluster, what is the architecture of it, and we will be seeing the installation steps in detail, how your SAP instance is going to be installed under high availability environment, not just high availability, also under the cluster. When you are implementing SUSE cluster in your SAP system, how your system will look like, how you are going to perform the installation, we are going to see this in the detail. Later on, we will be seeing what all configuration steps you have to perform under the cluster architecture. And also, we will be covering few test cases for you, like if your cluster is working fine or not, what all things you have to check to see the system performance under cluster. We will be looking onto the test cases. The same thing we will be applying on the high availability on HANA database. Here HA is nothing, it is the abbreviation for high availability. And under this high availability on HANA database section, we have these many pointers to cover. Again, we will be seeing what is the database cluster, what is HANA database cluster, and we are also going to cover few important things under HANA database, that is replication modes, operation modes in HANA. Replication modes as in sync, mem, and async. Please. Async, replication modes. Also under the operation modes in HANA, we will be seeing what is log replay operation mode and what is delta data shipping and log replay read access. So we are going to learn about these replication mode and the operation mode in detail, so that you can understand the significance of it and how it is related with the high availability concept, how you are going to manage it in the database cluster, because it is important in the cluster architecture, how you are going to configure your cluster. For that we need to cover these two things. Later on, we will be moving to the database cluster architecture in detail, as well as we are going to see how your database is going to be installed under the clustered environment. And we are also going to see the differences, how it is different from non-clustered, and I mean, what is the difference under clustered and non-clustered environment. Later on, we will be seeing what configuration you have to perform on your system, and at the end, we will be seeing the test cases of HANA database cluster. Thank you.